Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Bloodlit Mutations Crop in Grow Garden. So, to get this Bloodlit Mutations I think it's very easy. First, just log in the game during the Bloodlit Moon event like this, and then you will know it's active when the entire map turns red and the background music changes to much more intense like this. But this event just will appears randomly, so just make sure you already in the game when the event happens, and then once the event starts, just leave your crops growing as usual, and then if you are lucky, some of your crops will receive the bloodlit mutations like this. You will notice them turning black and with the red spark like this, and then next just try to harvest them like this, and then it will look like this. Let's just take a look like this. I think it's so cool, the crops with the bloodlit mutations, and these mutations crop are much more valuable, so the bloodlit mutations can help you earn significantly more profit when you harvest and sell them. And okay, that's all you need to do. Just join the Bloodlit Moon event and wait for the mutations, and hope luck is on your side. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!